What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you a very unique CPA marketing method that pretty much nobody is talking about. This is a very unique method. It's also a very underrated method, and I would call this definitely an underground method because nobody is doing it, nobody is using it. Everybody is focused on surveys, sweepstakes, those free offers, the giveaways, things like that. Nobody is looking into this very unique category of offers. And so I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. I'm going to explain to you why this is a really good method. And also I'm going to be explaining you how you can promote it for absolutely free. And if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll also teach you how to promote it with paid traffic, if that is what you want. All right, so let's get into the method. And so here I am on OfferVault, which is a great website for looking at various offers. Remember, guys, this is kind of a directory of CPA marketing offers, right? They also have some affiliate marketing offers as well, but mostly it's CPA marketing. And so what are we going to do, okay? We have our networks here, we have our categories, and we have our countries. What we're going to be doing is we're going to go into categories, and we are going to go into something called BizUp, okay? If you choose BizUp, you have very interesting offers here, and not a lot of people are talking about. And I'm gonna show you a category within this category that I feel is a high quality offer. So if you go in here, you have this DoorDash driver acquisition program, okay? If you scroll down, you're gonna see a lot of offers. Take a look how many pages we have, right? Now, if I go in here and I type job, I'm going to see much less offers, right? There's fewer offers, but this is exactly what you want to be focusing on. And so we have this DoorDash driver acquisition program. This is $50. It's on Max Bounty's network. We have ZipRecruiter, $240 Max Bounty. We have BizUp. We have other. What we're looking for is this offer right here. Now, this offer, there's lots of offers. I'm also going to show you where you can find other offers such as this one. So if you click on this offer, I'm going to explain to you exactly what this offer does. Max Bounty doesn't really have a big kind of description. They don't really have a big description. But this is a very powerful offer, not only because it pays $50, but because it's very underrated. There's not a lot of people promoting it. And frankly, not a lot of people know where and how to promote it. So let me explain to you what this is. DoorDash is kind of like Uber. It's for food, right? So with Uber, I'm as a consumer, I load the app and I order the car, right? The car comes to me and I'm good to go. But Uber and DoorDash, they are looking to get different people, right? There are market effects. So if you think about this being Uber or DoorDash, let's say this is DoorDash, right? DoorDash DD, they're looking for two types of customers, right? They're looking for consumers, right? We're going to say consumers, and they're also looking for drivers, right? And the more of each type, right, the more consumers they get, the more powerful, the more valuable the company gets, right? Because nobody's going to be making money driving for delivering, right? We can call this delivery, right? This is delivery. And these are consumers, right? So if I go on DoorDash and I want to, buy something, I want to order something, and if there are no drivers, it's not gonna work, right? There's no drivers, there's no point of me going on there. It's same thing for drivers. If I want to become a driver, but there are no consumers, what am I gonna deliver, right? What kind of deliveries am I gonna be doing? And it's the same thing with Uber, right? If we go into Uber, this is Uber. They are looking for consumers, right? Riders. We're going to call these riders, and they're also looking for drivers, right? And we have these drivers here. It's the same thing. This is called market effects, right? There are two types. These two types of companies are essentially doing the same thing, market effects. So if you go back here, you have this DoorDash driver acquisition program. So if you go to this diagram, they are looking for drivers. They're not looking for consumers. They also have consumers as well, right? So if you go back here and you type on, let's say we type DoorDash, they also have a consumer acquisition program. But take a look at the consumer acquisition program. It's only $2.40, but the driver acquisition dollar is $50 on Max Bounty and $35 on Express Revenue Inc., which is another CPA affiliate marketing network. And so I would recommend just going with Max Bounty. You can watch my video. It's going to be linked up in the corner. That's going to tell you how to get approved. But you have this $50. Now remember, guys, this is driver acquisition program. This is not consumer acquisition program. What are drivers, right? Drivers is just like you and me, except we're not going to be buying stuff. We're going to be making money. So if you take a look at this diagram here, right, DoorDash pays these people, right? This is the money, right? We're going to have, this is our dollar sign. And consumer pay, right? Consumer buy things and then it gets delivered. And obviously DoorDash is going to take a percentage of the sales. They're going to take the percentage of the revenue from the driver, and they're also going to take the percentage of the revenue from the consumer. So they're kind of a two-sided market that makes money off each transaction, which is great for them, but also great for us because we can make money off this program. Now, this is why you should be focusing on driver instead of the consumer. Now, DoorDash is one of the few, right? Remember, with CPA marketing, you have all offers all over the place. You can also search for Uber, okay? Uber comes and goes. Right now, there's nothing on offer wall, but I'm sure if you go into Max Bounty, you go somewhere else, you're going to find offers for Uber. Another one is Postmates, right? If I search for Postmates, I'm going to have some results here. I saw results the other day, like a couple days ago, when I was preparing for this video. I saw some results. Now they're not there. So these offers, they come and go, but you're going to have a lot of different things. The reason I wanted to show you DoorDash is that it's the one that always consistently appears here, okay? But the other thing that you can do very easily, look at this one, Uber Driver Acquisition Affiliate Program. You have this here. You have, various reviews. You can sign up. You can send them drivers, right? And I'm going to show you. You can also Google for DoorDash Driver Acquisition Program, and you can do the same thing very, very easily. Now, how are we going to be promoting it? Well, this is the best part because promoting them is fairly easy and fairly simple. All you have to do is type free job posting sites, right? You're going to have a lot of these results, and you're going to have betterteam.com. You're going to have indeed.com. Also, Google has their own free job posting sites. You can do Google free job posting sites. You can do that, and you're going to find Google's, and I think Better Team, Google for Jobs, right? Better Team is their own Google for Jobs. So take a look at this one. We can open this article, and we have 21 free job posting sites that are high traffic and 100% free. Take a look at this one, right? We have a whole list, 21 sites. We have Indeed, and I'm actually going to go into Indeed, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Google for Jobs, we can go into Google for Job. We can load this up, and we can post jobs for free. We can click on this, and we can create an account, right? Do you create a free job post? You can just fill this out. If you already have an account, you can log in here, and you can simply fill this out. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be kind of like an agency that's trying to get these drivers, that's trying to acquire business, trying to acquire these freelancers, right? We're not going for consumers. We are going for drivers, right? So for instance, you have this Indeed job board, right? This is a big job board. And so take a look at this one. This is Indeed is actually #1 for category rank in the category of jobs and career, jobs and employment. And if you scroll down, they're getting 600 million visits every single month. So imagine how much traffic you're going to be getting once you post on this job board. Last month, they got a little bit less than 600 million visits for that month, right? So if you Google for this, you have free job posting, right? There's even a free job posting. You can post a job. You can simply click here. You can post a job. You can create an account very, very easily and post a job. Now, what I highly recommend, you can go down this route, but a much more advanced method. And this is something I recommend a lot higher. This is something that I highly recommend for you guys to do. Is you go to this website called cart.co, right? You can just create a free account, and this allows you simple, free, fully responsive one-page sites for pretty much anything, right? So you can simply create an account. So I already have an account. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create a free account, and I'm going to show exactly how you can do this a lot quicker and a lot easier. And it's also going to be a lot more effective. So here we're going to just fill this out. And so I still need to verify my email, but I can go ahead and create my site by clicking on new site, and I can have a starting point, right? We can do this. So typically, These are going to be for agencies. These could be for people. These could be personal websites. These could be more professional websites. So it's really up to you. So take a look at this. So we have free templates, but we also have more professional templates. So you can just choose what you want to do. There's a free template. There's a lot of free templates. Let's say we want to use this template. You can just click select there, and it has all these things: add elements, undo the previous action, redo the next action, etc., etc. And you can just fill this out, right? You can just say, hello. You can just click on this, and you can fill this out, right? There's also these little tags that you can do. We hire drivers. We are an agency that hires drivers for Uber, Postmates, DoorDash, and others. Very, very easily. You can just do something like this. You have gallery. You can have images for Uber. You can put images for Uber. So for instance, I can upload an Uber, maybe an Uber car, maybe an Uber stock photo. I can also upload a DoorDash. So I can simply go into here. I can go here. I can go to pexels.com, which has free images, and I can say delivery person, or I can say food delivery person. Take a look at this one. And we have Uber here. We can get this image. We have another image here. I can also choose my orientation just to be horizontal. And now I have these delivery people, right? This is a delivery guy. This guy is the consumer. He delivers. I can click on this. I can just download it. I can go back to this website that I'm building, right? I can upload it. I can click on this. I can just choose it right here. And so I can upload it. I can just select what exactly I want. And now we have images. And now you just created a very, very simple but professional looking site. I would recommend putting more images. Here's another guy. Here's a guy delivering. Here's a guy on a bicycle. We can just download this. We can click on this. And we can click here. We can click on upload. And now we upload the second image. We can just expand it. What we want to get the whole image. Click accept. And now we have two images here, right? We can just click this. And now we save the site. Now we can have a title of the site. Drivers wanted. Okay, we can do something like this. And now you're going to be getting leads for drivers. But the most important thing here is that this website is going to create your profile. It's going to be a lot more legitimate, right? You're still going to post the profile and all that on the Better Job board, right? With your affiliate link and all that. But you're going to have this quick web page. It's going to be this kind of like independent freelancer that is going to be accepting these offers, right? This is going to be more for credibility, right? You can have more images. You can delete it, right? You can just delete all this. You can have more. You can add more. Right now, we only have two images. And that is what you have. And now, when people come, when they take a look, when, somebody wants to check the legitimacy and all that, it's going to be a lot more legitimate. Now, the other thing about it is that we have job boards, right? But you guys don't understand that there's all kinds of these forums. You can go on Craigslist, right? Craigslist, you can just do Craigslist jobs. You can do that, and you have job sites. You can go, Uber driver forums. Become an Uber driver, right? You can find independent forums that have nothing to do with Uber. Actually, there's ride share forums. You can do something like this, and you have a ride sharing forum. You have Uber drivers forum, you have Ride Guru, and obviously you're going to have people that are already doing it, but you're also going to have people that are looking to do it. And you can serve as a middleman, you can serve as a consultant, somebody who checks, somebody who says, and you can say, hey guys, check out this link. You can use this link to become an Uber driver. If you don't want to go directly, you can go through me, and I can answer all your questions, all your concerns, stuff like that. And then when they say, okay, well, I want to go through you, but do you have a website? Do you have anything like that? You can show your website that you are somebody, like, take a look at this one. You can even modify this, and you can say something like driver recruitment services, something like this. LLC or Inc. or whatever. You can just put driver recruitment services, And now people know that you have a website, that you are more credible, you are more legit. And like I said, you can go to these free job boards. You have Better Me, you have all of these sites. You can find the affiliate programs here, and you can find the affiliate offers here. You can also Google for them directly, DoorDash, Uber driver, and you can create a free website here on card.co very, very quickly and easily. That way people will trust you more, and you're going to be a lot more reputable. And then you can go to Indeed.com. You can go to all of these communities, Facebook groups, free forums, all over the place. You can just do it without any issue. All right, guys, so that is the method I wanted to show you guys today. It's highly underrated. Nobody else is doing it. But if you're willing to do a little bit of the work and you're willing to focus on that niche, you're going to have really, really good results. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this method. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in a new video.